arrest of convenient coke drivers busted by police. Instant karma, karma coke, justice clip. So let's get started. This white car illegally decides to go fast. But the police caught him. Guy doing about 50 in a 35 gets served dose of justice. The impatient driver illegally entered the emergency lane in traffic and was caught by the police. Some mirror was doing about 36 miles per hour, so another car was doing about 50. Cope was parked in the shade, running rather difficult to see. Convenient Cope makes a timely visit to this dual turn lane dunes. This car on the left side decides to go illegally. As a result, he gets karma. The lifted CV uses on ramp to cut traffic. Unmarked police caught him. Red Explorer got impatient and ran the red light in front of the cop. He looked, but that wasn't enough for him. He was doing 60 miles per hour in a 50 zone. Instant justice for two queue hoppers. Officer disappointed, bonus third hopper just out of frame. On the way to work, a guy in red Mustang was waving in and out of cars. Mustang decided to slingshot past Submirror and other cars and gets some unwanted attention. The red Mercedes was going 100 plus when the speed limit was 75 miles per hour. Not shown is him swerving between cars and then slamming on the brakes as he passed the speed trap on the left. Makes a U-turn, goes on the bike lane, then cuts Submirror off with no turn signal. He could have legitimately gone if he had waited a few seconds. So Submirror moved over into the empty right lane, and Submirror noticed a police SUV fly by Submirror and gets 3 FD off the car's bumper. That's the moment Submirror grabbed her GoPro and called it. Red light runners. As a result, the police caught them. This was on the I-90 west in Massachusetts. This pickup truck has unmarked police. The grey VW was laying on his horn until the moment the blue lights came on and flipped the bird out of the window when he passed the cop in the breakdown lane. A drunk driver got on cam, then runs from the cop. Pickup truck squeezed in and used closed portion or the highway to Mars. He then used the other Mars lane to just get ahead a few cars. He is caught by the police for his illegal way. BMW pulled over for speeding.